Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this delicious baked chicken wings. So first you will need onion, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, some chicken broth, and your choice of seasons. And of course, chicken. I'm using chicken wings, but you can use whatever chicken you would like. So I let my chicken soak in some salt and water for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm adding my onions, and I'm just going to try to flip the onions up under the chicken. I set my oven for 355, and I'm going to let the chicken cook for 35 minutes. Now that it have cooked for 35 minutes, I took it out and I'm adding the cream of mushroom and the cream of chicken to the pot. I'm going to put it back in the oven and I'm going to let it cook for an additional 15 minutes. Now it's ready, and I just added it with some broccoli and rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.